Barney. Today's Barney's number 4 anniversary, and we've got some special treats for him. He's backing up. That's not it though. And his brother gets to celebrate an anniversary as well. Right, Floydie? Right? Floydie's a good boy. Barney, are you ready to eat? Are you ready? You hungry, boy?
Where's Jerry? That's not Jerry.
That's not Jerry. Okay. Oh, that's a good picture. That's for Floydie. Right. We have... There's Jerry. This is Jerry. All right. He's got Jerry. Oh, Jerry. There he goes. So Barney's having chicken and squash. Come on, big boy.
Get that tail. You're trying to eat the phone.
Is that good stuff? That didn't take very long, did it? For our anniversary dinner.
Record boy? Hell yeah.
Was that good stuff, Barney? Was it yummy? What a good boy you are. We love you. We love you, good boy.